Let's get over to our chief meteorologist, Jackie Lair. Help us get prepared for tomorrow morning work and school.
Yeah, I mean, out there tomorrow morning, starting off into the 40s and some suburbs into the upper 30s too. But at least the winds will be calm in the morning. But yes, it's going to be a cold one to start under mainly clear skies. At sunrise will be right around 6:40 in the morning. We'll have mainly sun-filled skies through much of the morning and then partly sun-filled skies into the afternoon. But noticeably warmer out there tomorrow afternoon and also with some gusty winds. We'll see high temperatures right into those lower 70s out there for your Wednesday. Unseasonably warm for this time of the year. Typically we should be into those lower 60s. So we soar into the 70s out there tomorrow, but it's out ahead of that cold front that's farther off towards our north and west. That low pressure system with that warm front draped just to the north of us. Yeah, that's going to be ushering in that warmth that we'll see out there tomorrow. That high pressure down towards our south, though, that's keeping us dry and quiet out there through the overnight tonight. But with that high pressure and low pressure in close proximity, those winds will certainly churn. And we're going to be seeing those winds picking up out of the south and west tomorrow afternoon. Western Maryland, parts of the eastern panhandle, and right along the spine of the Blue Ridge there in Virginia. So especially some of those higher elevations. Wind advisory. That's from 1 p.m. Wednesday all the way through 1 a.m. Thursday. Those are the areas where we could be dealing with those gusts upwards of 45 miles per hour. There's also a red flag warning that goes into effect at 11 a.m. tomorrow morning, and that holds till 6 p.m. tomorrow evening. That red flag warning is for those areas that were very, very dry under a severe drought at this point with the latest drought monitor last Thursday. Not only that, we have low humidity, and then when you factor in that wind tomorrow afternoon as well, any fire that starts could spread very quickly. That's why that red flag warning has been issued, and that's that drought monitor showing you that severe drought that's issued back out towards the west, especially along parts of the I-81 corridor. Here's a view of those future wind gusts into tomorrow afternoon. That's really when those winds start to pick up out ahead of that cold front that'll be sliding across the region as we get towards later on tomorrow evening. So wind gusts anywhere between 30 and close to 40 miles per hour, especially seeing that 40-mile-per-hour mark farther off towards our northernmost areas. Then as we look ahead towards Thursday, winds shift out of the north and west. That'll be ushering in the cooler air that we will see for Thursday compared to what we see out there for Wednesday. So highs low 70s out there Wednesday, right around 60 on Thursday. At least we have the sunshine. As we get towards Friday, low to mid 60s. We'll see increasing cloud cover though later in the day Friday as ahead of a cold front. That'll be bringing us some rain chances as we get towards into early Saturday. So we have several cold fronts to talk about over the course of the next several days. So here's that next front sliding across the area, bringing us some rain chances late Friday night into early Saturday. Here's the rest of that 7-day outlook. A few isolated showers Sunday, then trending much colder to start off that next work week, upper 40s.